Hello friends, good noon. I am at Sample Sales. I already told you that I will go Sample Sales, and now I am at Sample Sales. And here I am eating chicken kosa. I am eating chicken kosa. Eso. Please come.
আমি কেন আসবো? তোমার তো দাঁড়ি।
না, বাপ।
না, তুমি আমার ঘর থেকে বেরো। আমি আমার ঘর বেরো। না, তুই আমার ঘর থেকে বেরো। আমার বাবা
What is your name?
আমার বাবা হলো মুরগি।
What is your name?
যা একেবারে আত্মাহারা।
My last video was interrupted. So friends, I am at Kakta now, and I had already covered to the Kakta Mohanagari, and now I am eating chicken kosa. After eating chicken kosa, I will eat rice.
মুরগি একেবারে
This is
মুরগি এক বেশি বকবে না।
I am eating chicken now. My last video was interrupted. Today you know me. I am at Kakta now. Okay, see you again in the next video. I will have to eat now. Bye. So friends, today know me. I am at Kakta now. So you know, in the morning I uploaded 2 videos, 3 videos, not 2. 3 videos. Thereafter I went to Mechada, and now I am at Kakta. Here I am eating chicken, and my party is going to finish. I have been eating chicken. There is only one. Today I have come at Kakta. There I covered Kakta Durga Mandap Pujo and also Kumari. And also I had covered Kumari Puja in my camera. I will show you in the next video as soon as I have time. So this is my last deal. See you, Tata.